My name is Yasir. I'm a senior lecturer in pharmacy practice and I'm a specialist antimicrobial pharmacist. Today I want to speak about the TikTok Creator Fund. I was accepted into the TikTok Creator Fund around 3 months ago. I thought it'd be an interesting topic because a lot of people do not know how much TikTok creators are paid. So I'm a practicing pharmacist by profession, and how much money do you think I earn from TikTok, having 42,000 followers at the moment? And is it enough for me to probably reduce some hours at work or replace my job altogether? In short, absolutely not. I am miles away from that. But I want to go through some of the figures and give you an understanding of how much you can get paid on TikTok. So first of all, what is the TikTok Creator Fund? So the TikTok Creator Fund is a way in which TikTok can essentially pay you, or you can monetize your creative abilities. If you have any understanding of TikTok, sometimes it doesn't take any creative abilities to be famous on TikTok. However, some people can generate a large amount of money from it. So I've tried to join TikTok from educating capacity with the hope of educating people about medications. Of course, it's probably not the most interesting thing on TikTok. However, I have found a great niche where I've been able to connect with over 40,000 members. So TikTok have put aside £54 million to the audience in the UK, Italy, Spain, Germany and France. This £54 million has to be spread over creators over all of these countries. So of course it will be quite difficult to tap into a large amount of that pot. Over the past 3 months on TikTok, I've been able to generate £40. If you just take into account the last month of my views, I generated 1.6 million views in the last month. Generally, the amount of income that you'll make from 100,000 views is about £2 to £3. So that 1 million views is about £20. So the large majority of that £40 I've pulled in the last month. Of course, people were probably expecting a lot more, but you have to think of the big creators. Some of the large creators can bring in anything from 30 to 50 million views per TikTok. These are the users that are generating a heavy amount of income per day. So if you think about that, if you generate 1 million views consistently every day, for every 28 days, you'll gain about £560 minimum. And if you operate as a business like myself, that will be pre-tax. TikTok are very keen on working with organizations and governments to ensure that tax is being paid on this amount. So unless you're generating a consistent 4 million views every day, you won't be generating an income that can replace the large majority of professions. So if you see over here, the large majority of the days I'm earning anything from 15 to 20 pence, and then you'll get the odd few days where I'll generate a few pounds. One thing that's particularly important for me to mention is the TikTok algorithm. It's one of the most difficult algorithms I've come across on social media platforms. For me, there's almost no way to predict what goes viral. Funny enough, the videos that do generate a large proportion of views, they have a 97% watch rate from users that are not my followers. So despite me having 42,000 followers, the large proportion of the people who watch my videos are not my followers. So that's why generating a consistent income can be quite difficult on TikTok. I know there's several trends that you can hop onto. However, I try my best to stick to my niche and to deliver content that's consistent. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope it gives you a better idea of the TikTok Creator Fund. One thing I would say about the TikTok Creator Fund, it is fairly easy to get into the TikTok Creator Fund compared to other platforms I have found. I generated a following of over 40,000 people over the span of 4 months. However, it took me probably about a year and a half to reach 10,000 followers on Instagram. If you don't follow any of my social media platforms, I have linked them all in the description box below. If you're currently not subscribed to my content, please feel free to subscribe. I have plenty of other videos that will be useful in terms of studying, in terms of passive income and monetization, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.